The discussion will be about the curriculum or level chemistry, which is for physical chemistry.
In this chapter, there are 4 subtopics. For kinetic particle theory, students should be able to describe solid, liquid and gas state and explain the factors that may affect the process. Atomic structure. Students must use diagram to describe the structure of atom, proton and neutron, structure and properties of material, find out the differences between element, compound and mixture, chemical bonding, draw the bonding and differentiate the process occur.
For formula, stoichiometry and mole concept, the learning outcomes include state symbol of an element, formula of simple compound, ionic compound, and construct chemical equation. Differentiate between relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass. Next, calculate the percentage mass of an element, calculate the empirical formula, molecular formula, stoichiometry mass, concentration, percentage yield, and percentage purity.
From the topic electrolysis, the learning outcomes are the student will be able to define what is electrolysis, apply the idea of selective discharge based on cations, anions, and concentration effects, predict the likely products of the electrolysis of a molten compound and aqueous electrolyte, construct ionic equations for the reactions occurring at the electrodes during the electrolysis, electroplating of metals, for example, copper plating and its uses, simple cells, and the production of electrical energy. The learning outcomes from the topic energy from chemicals are the student will be able to describe the meaning of enthalpy change in terms of exothermic and endothermic reactions, represent energy changes by energy profile diagrams including reaction enthalpy changes and activation energy, explain overall enthalpy changes in terms of the energy changes associated with the breaking and making of covalent bonds, describe hydrogen derived from water or hydrocarbons as a potential fuel reacting with oxygen to generate electricity directly in a fuel cell.
Next chapter is chemical reaction. For rate of reaction, describe the factor that affecting the rate of reaction and explain in terms of collision theory. For redox, describe what is redox reaction and explain testing for oxidizing and reducing agent. The last subtopic is reversible reaction. Explain how chemical reactions can be reversed and reach equilibrium.